Hello, my name is Laurel Jones, and I did some of the technical research to this project.
Hey, I'm Michael George. I helped build the Stirling engine.
Hello, I'm Saul Fulmer, and I helped also research the Stirling engine.
So, as you said, this is our Stirling engine right here, and this works by, as you can see, adding heat to this little heat cylinder, which causes the pistons inside to move, which in turn causes these wheels to rotate as well.
Eventually, the heat will come out, and the engine will stop moving. It's not going right now, but that is how it kind of works.
As the last member has said, the Stirling engine is not moving because we believe that due to there being too much friction, an error during building, or the manufacturing mistake is currently not functioning. So normally if you spin the wheel, it would keep moving.